cineinc.com.
The growth in conventional media is still slow, but the numbers of conventional media is still very high.
For me, digital media is present and future. Why? Because I am not even a graduate right now. I'm in my third year and I did my 2 internships.
Private media, which is supposed to be independent and fourth pillar of the democracy, has virtually collapsed, I would say.
A section of the media has suddenly turned as spokespersons of the current establishment. I mean, so they do a better job than the spokespersons of the government.
I won't say that conventional media will die out. I mean, conventional media, especially if you talk about India, print media and all, it's been on a rise.
Digital media is also emerging as alternative media, alternative to print and television because of ownership issues.
I would never say any new discovery or any new thing is ever a threat. It's a progression.
cineinc.com.